Semaan masih.
Please welcome on stage, Gio!
Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Which part?
Sure.
Near Pit House. Your father businessman?
Oh yeah.
Is he single?
No.
In Meghalaya? There's a lot of beautiful girls, but some of their face look like Putaro. But they act so Korea.
Kibriu kibaye di khoi bro hai kidos sunyi kiba jumle nam di khoi kelan no di khoi thiet ni tiket thila bani dompar sino to tobacco say yes to dompar. Because dompar can give you money and tobacco can just take your money. Ngida mata halinti mga azabat event nang ni ngida hablik be sekoi jingilang ka banga ala slam pala-palan ngada perkhat try kan kham slam khendiat kaji ke program tema gala adap kloi penban ti menta kala des ke peli jonga teri 4 poi setei nilam bis ke jaka ka beler ha tama la flop lupa la slam finally ngila poi em sai suyar bisa po son dia po kira hal
Tak puas na?
Ladang ni apa kani kedai ka lariti kompleks bat mentah kadang don kepli hang tei pipe jani don kepli hang tei di kini kedai kejing rakhi kata world nu tobacco dia ke school bapir ki wan do hang ni jaka di ni pet ki le yu hang ni jaka ju ko poru ki don la kalian ku chim kin perform ki speni bi bro khas speni lu bi ru ju ko por na be ni pet ki long mo.
You're late again. Why? What's wrong?
I guess we should tell him. I guess so.
No boleh stang kami. No boleh stang. Oh, cari mimpi. Mami, basyat katakan request kita.
Bakot. Kuno bilang. Siung in the house. Siung. Bakot. Jangan. Meow kia. Say. Oh,
very nice to meet you. Happy New Year.
oh yes, happy New Year also.
Happy New Year.
Happy half year also. So ali freak contrast mendasangi
Don't let the calendar control you.
mendasangi ingin siya pet ke jingle jadu jong i contrast about stage mentakani di stage kani di sini pun bila perform ni.
Hi, Larity.
Hai.
Larity the first time.
Nah. He bahani jani peni ni sa. Ben peni contrast ke stage. Peni
The stage is very
oh ni kelas sedung ada sini dulu.
very dangerous stage.
Tapi ni aku yang mendasangi itu.
Ngaruh nanti min aku yo. Cuan bay ini dum dam tip. Sampai ya keren kan kami.
Di pendat da penar mo di kasih mo di dekar mo.
Ngindat beda ga mix kan. Ai beda ga ngite ga penar dari kan. Ai beda kalau ada yang pereng la mi yang dekar la. Korea lah kalau
Dah itu kontrasi itu makeup yang pi ke kamu jangan makeup ju tak pi benar betul ki beauty queen yang ini no.
Debi aku ni tak ada ngau. Kini action rang mengapa kentai. All the best to Pak Kut mentah di rival jongi on the same category, comedy category. Tapi jom Pak Kut waban like trip kelai ini.
Nanti hok si siang aku bikin job kini sian warba kan level of humor buat ka konsep bagi kia dekat ba. Lalu kamdai tang ya ka play, kamdai ru ka script, ka acting, jing rwai tu bagi jing long diverse ka rukom le te I have to give it takadaw nga ling aso mga don wrong category manang ban vote for best comedy. Look at the hairs, look at the hairs. Ay. Mulai samla kung trash bisa. Ngari ko panah bino.
Ini lah dulu lah shit kelai lah shit yang lala. Ini peta. Very dangerous husband. Very dangerous husband. Very dangerous.
Nga float ang kamera. Oy. Smart masih.
Very smart masih.
How do you greet people on YouTube? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, right? Yes? 1, 2, 3. Wow! One more time. Let's say it together, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from China Hills, please welcome on stage Chiyo.
Yo, Mom!
Hello.
So, what you doing, Mom?
Amelia, you have to correct me.
No way, Mom!
Then why you speak in English, man?
Because my friend from Korea will come and visit me, that's why I practice.
Wow, nice joke. You tell him to bring the band Shano.
Come on, Muhammad. Oh, terus nga iwan mo.
Hindi, kamnap sang mo.
사랑해요. 단수하라.
Oh, that kan Shafi like this, Javi yung iba.
Kamu pati piuji yung unit sa Korea, yung Korea din tukitin, sarangnya dong.
I wish you the best of the everything. Welcome to the home and Happy New Year and Happy birthday.
감사합니다. Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me.
What is your name?
My name is Bong Tang Tang.
Bong Teng Teng.
Yeah.
Kamu pintu kau main lekor.
Isya tuh pengaruh.
Oh, very meaningful name.
Thank you.
Very traditional name. So, where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Korea.
Yeah.
Which part?
Seoul.
Seoul.
Yeah.
Near Pit House.
Hey, sih ada English accent ke idam ga?
Hey, shut up, man. Shut up. Hey, shut up. By the way, in the video you look so late, but in the Partai you look young.
Oh yeah. I'm really young. Yeah. I'm young, wild and free, you know.
Young and free.
Terusnya tuh itu pi kelam pereng pi yang pi topik o kelam pereng yang o topik ini tekuk tangga jak semua jadinya bang.
So what, bro? Huh? So what?
Wow, no businessman. Wah, pura Korea di timit ko.
Your father businessman?
Oh yeah.
Is he single?
No.
He have 30 wife.
35?
Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 80 now.
A dangerous old man. Very strong, your father.
Oh yeah, he's very strong.
You know Bakut?
Bakut?
Yeah, that small guy this size?
Good Freeman.
I don't know.
Cute teddy bear.
He's the Jackie Chan of Shillong.
Okay.
You don't know?
No, I don't know.
In Meghalaya, there's a lot of beautiful girls, very pretty, beautiful girls. But some of their face look like Putharo. But they act so Korea. Cinta kan? That's right. And they are very crazy fan of BTS. They love BTS song. They love BTS. They know what BTS are doing. When they are sleeping, when they are waking up, when they are eating food, drinking, they know everything about BTS. They know the color of their poop. They know when are they going to susu. They know. They know everything about. They know their hardship, their struggle of BTS. They know everything. But if we ask them about, the hardship of their family problem, nil. They know nothing. Look at my son. He's also BTS fan. BTS lover. Yeah. He's a BTS lover. Jungkook. Majungkook lah kan. Hey, he loves BTS. You know, on their birthday, he posts 30 status.
35.
35 status he posts on his WhatsApp status wishing them birthday. Wishing them happy birthday. 사랑해요. 진짜 많이 누렸어. 진짜 오빠. Opa, he wished them all very nice messages. But on my birthday, 0 posts.
That's so sad.
How's the weather in Shillong?
Hi, the weather here is very unpredictable, just like women. Yes, it changes according to her mood. What about in Korea?
It's very hot out there.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Just like Guwahati.
Guwahati?
Assam.
What is that, Assam?
Akulan, Pum.
What's that, bro?
Akulan, Pum.
Waterfall. Oh, waterpark.
Waterpark.
Yeah.
Okay. I see. Okay.
So, you bring your umbrella?
No.
You are dead. In our case, if you bring your umbrella, no rain. If you don't bring your umbrella, rain. Oh.
Very smart weather, huh?
I weather.
Yeah, very smart. I know in Meghalaya also a lot of beautiful places. Beautiful house, beautiful people, beautiful mountain, beautiful
Alumuri.
Momo, traffic jam. And in traffic jam you see a lot of chapri rider. And they'll ride scooty like this, like this. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Very dangerous.
So do you have any lighter?
Lighter?
Then, wait.
Thanks for having me, bro. Thanks. Wow. A traditional one?
Oh yeah, traditional lighter. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Looks good.
Itu belum.
Mudu diskret.
Kenapa jadi kau diskret?
Come on, claim ako. Kika fashion ni kisah ni diskret.
Ke fashion negara kan jam. Excuse me, what are you trying to do?
I'm smoking. You want one? Oh, you can't have it. Astaga! Nani ni gusto? That's very costly.
Costly?
Yeah.
More than your life.
No, but that's my life. It is a fashion for me. And life is meant to have fun.
Is it fun killing yourself?
Baby, but we jengin beberula.
Kadang betai, kadang kelam jenguk wadang maya. Hey, tobacco is not a joke, my friend. It can kill you. It kills your family. It kills a child. And it kills someone's dream. And in our culture also, after you finish drinking tea, you finish eating food, you have to do your own dishes. You have to wash your own dishes. Go on.
Mana untuk setia?
Say no to smoking. Say yes to life. Thank you so much.
Hadin ke jingak babang mentah sa photo session ke bai Itiang. Oh, nice. 1 2 3 1 2 3 Skoi we Arlai. Oh. Kise. Ah? Uni du khuyu. Ladi ber. Du konflik ni. Ana. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes.
Sah. Keren siapa ya?
Hai. Limes no, ini limes no. Ini mes no ladap. Program ke hits.
Program hits.
Ini enjoy ni emang ber.
Ya, room sini saka tangki special invitee. VIP kun Pak Kut.
Yang kumuaza. Hai. Bang ni mas. Tolong mu. Tolong nilai dam mentanang ni napo lariti. Kani lariti kompleks sang ni. But English ay.
Siang.
Kini dikena all saints kendang yesang bang mentana ni syakmat man kesngi kan bidang yu syuti. Biang. Ni no to tobacco, no to drugs. Kini ki mama ki bashir khai ba bar kawan kamai le drama ba kamai di tiket sak penyu business ni tu ki beriu ki bayi di khoi bro khai ki dos jungi ki ba jumle di khoi kelan nak di khoi tiet ni tiket hila bani lempar jimni older kiten ke baj lani pisa kanu ketinggalan ke wei Spudinga. Wei ugol flick menta ularem nompai tang sispa kanu menta ugol flick.
Sepaket. Ya.
Tentang si paket kanu. Sispa tinggal ugol flick. Jadi 2 ugol flick.
Ngatip mau ngam judi red tangga ngatip.
Sino tu tobacco, si yes tu dompar.
Kau ngan bertanya ni damparan begitu ki bakwa bantrai kan. Bantrai business. Select page jing trai marba dekat jing ni. Nata ada pio apa dekat ni pat I know i lock chongpi. I know i beloved one your dear one. Kini na benta ban late right kan. Marba kedai ga labun block pala. Kini pat cipa wajar kedai itu ki beriu ki baong ba ngi da thid dai penkalai da mujar yo. Da penkalai da plastik yo. Kini kedai benta chongpi cipa wajar family constellation. Kini dai benta chong.
Kini kedai na benta ke Ciong Multipurpose Society.
Arpo Pradet September Araja po sa angin pekelai halom pertuk mi mentero
Ngin salek dak live ha YouTube channel jongi hi ka Ciong ngin saboro syaki social media ba pair ni ji price yeki news haki news ba pair ya ka tiket ya ka lucky number ba pom
ngantala peni ni video ngasapin ni komen nei be phila bani oi ni be ki jaka bro khoi ti sapet ya ka pin komen hapo jong ni comment section ki dukan ki jaka ndong sedong be phila bani oi ni tiket tang spa tinggal wadi khuisyu kit ni tiket jobs nan dompar
dadon manu na ki viewers jong bakut ki bakwa ban thiet online ro ngidi check bej na ka Instagram page jongi Ciong kila don hi ki poster jong kini ki lucky draw hak itu ngilabo hi number phone so phone hila ban thiet online nang ngiro direct
press nong press
Balem long press Kidon ki kali ba ang VIP mo tambah this is more than VIP sisi ba don pressan kemot you can press anyone you can press anything
bani dah yes ki fans jong Ciong
supporter kinong
ka kubor jong kinisia bentas ngi ke baler bahan nang tay na po mo kasyang tin na po lariti complex ntai te bat kade kubor ke bashir khai baru kade kubor nam ta jong ki baro khai bpw ki ba pet khamtam ki khlung khna ba wat yangop ya uduma ba kingop ru eno nomor ba kamlong ke badai berkala ban pensabe kai bisa jong ki mo
say no to tobacco yes to dumper
yes to dumper because dumper is life
oh yes because dumper can give you money and tobacco can just take your money Agila. Yes, bro. Kira sebesok lepas jual mana? Kini ki fan jeng Didi Pongpong.
Bukan ni.
Ikan pam. Kini sia ni big fan jeng pi lak play the Didi Pongpong apa. Alright, perloks ngini eletnyo ini paino. Sa season nomor bing lai kendo pa di gini Ciong hani steng lenti bidang one leg business. Ting, kita bakal yang bisnes jongki bingin ya yang ni. Oh, belum kali balik. Brah, bye bye. Mau sesiam. Besok. Uji di koi mah. Lah langdong. Sejarah. Wei bong bong. Di pong pong.
Kau video call jangan ya. Video kan?
Mana balik?
Okay, parlok. Sesiam mah bingin pakai video. Boleh semua.